So BlockFi Fi is for spot Bitcoin ETF as ruling Looms. So guys, we're live on Bitcoin news from Coinmarketcap blog Alexandria. This article was done by Leo Jacobson. I'm going to be reviewing this article. So it said DeFi lender BlockFi has filed for permission to launch a physically backed Bitcoin ETF. So in the Securities and Exchange Commission filing on November 8th, BlockFi joined a long and growing list of companies that have filed for permission to launch a cryptocurrency-backed exchange-traded fund. The US regulator has already approved several Bitcoin futures-based ETFs, but is yet to rule on a physically backed or spot ETF. Approval is considered a long shot as SEC Commissioner Gary Gensler has publicly criticized them while backing the futures-based versions. Gensler has argued that SEC has broad powers to regulate cryptocurrencies, saying that virtually all meets the definition of securities. So Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Bactrinas suggested that BlockFi probably wanted to be in the mix long term rather than expecting an actual approval anytime soon. So I would lay off opium until at least next year, he said in a tweet listing the various cryptocurrency ETF proposals. The SEC is due to issue its first ruling on a spot Bitcoin ETF, the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, on Sunday, November 14. Bloomberg's James Selfer tweeted that fully expect a denial and added, would be shocked if VanEck's filing is approved, despite believing it should be approved. But the denial letter should give us insight into SEC's current views/opinions on underlying Bitcoin market. So, guys, we have Coinmarket Recaps podcast here, which you can check out on Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, and more, guys. So he said, serious concerns remain. So far, the agency has approved five futures based Bitcoin ETFs, beginning with the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF and Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Since then, ETFs by Profunds, Stonebridge, and New York Digital Investment Group (NYDIG) has also been green-lighted. So Gensler, who taught Bitcoin and cryptocurrency at MIT before being tapped as the SEC by President Joe Biden, recently compared the cryptocurrency market to the Wild West, saying that it was rife with fraud, scams, and abuse. The most recent of those is the Squid token, which appears to have been the latest rug pull. The token was said to have been for a planned game team with its Netflix show, but was not affiliated with it. Squid jumped from zero point 0.1 cents to more than $500 in a few days before rocketing to highs of $2,800 and before going back to 0.000079 dollars in a matter of minutes on November 1st. So, guys, I think these are some of the issues we currently have in the crypto world. But you can let us know what you feel about BlockFi filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Let us know what you feel in the comment section below. It's your boy Keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you in our future uploads. Stay safe.